Hi there, welcome to the Biology Dojo, your go-to channel for simplifying, exploring, and engaging with fascinating biology topics. If you enjoy our content, subscribe to stay updated and be part of our community. Don't forget to like our videos and share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. With that out the way, let's get to the class. Hello, class. How are you guys doing today? Oi, Braff, get back to your seat. Liz, would you mind presenting today?
I am on my way, sir. Take a moment to look around you. Everywhere you go, plants are there. Trees lining the streets, flowers blooming in gardens, grasses swaying in the breeze. Plants provide oxygen, food, shelter, and even medicine. They're a crucial part of life on Earth. But how much do we really know about them? Welcome to the fascinating world of botany, the study of plants. From the tallest trees to the tiniest mosses, botany is the science that explores the growth, structure, reproduction, and function of plants. Whether you realize it or not, plants shape our lives in more ways than we could ever imagine. Let's explore how botany can help us better understand the life forms that give us life. Botany is the scientific study of plants, including their structure, properties, and biological processes. Plants are living organisms that can range from tiny algae to giant sequoias. They perform essential roles on Earth, such as producing oxygen through photosynthesis and serving as the base of most food chains. But botany isn't just about studying leaves, flowers, and trees. It's about understanding how plants grow, how they reproduce, and how they interact with the environment. By studying plants, botanists can make discoveries that influence everything from agriculture and medicine to environmental conservation and climate change. Before we dive into the world of botany, let's take a moment to understand why plants are so important. Without plants, life on Earth wouldn't be possible. They're at the heart of ecosystems, providing food and oxygen to animals and regulating the environment in countless ways. Oxygen production. Plants are the lungs of the planet. Through a process called photosynthesis, plants convert carbon dioxide from the air into oxygen, providing the very air we breathe. It's estimated that plants produce about 50 to 70% of the Earth's oxygen. Food sources. Plants are the foundation of the food chain. Almost all of the food we eat, whether directly or indirectly, comes from plants. Whether it's fruits, vegetables, grains, or legumes, plants provide the essential nutrients that sustain human and animal life. Medicine and pharmaceuticals. Many of the medicines we use today come from plants. For centuries, plants have been used to treat diseases and ailments. For example, the bark of the willow tree contains salicylic acid, which was later synthesized to create aspirin. Ecosystem services. Plants play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. They help stabilize the soil, prevent erosion, regulate water cycles, and provide habitats for countless species of animals. Without plants, Earth's ecosystems would collapse. Botany is a diverse field with different branches focusing on various aspects of plant life. Let's explore some of the key areas that botanists focus on to understand plants better. Plant physiology, how plants work. Plant physiology focuses on understanding how plants function. This includes processes like photosynthesis, respiration, and nutrient absorption. For instance, photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy. Understanding these processes allows scientists to improve crop production and increase food security. Plant anatomy, the structure of plants. Plant anatomy looks at the internal structure of plants, how their tissues and organs are organized. From the roots that anchor plants in the soil to the leaves that capture sunlight, each part of a plant has a unique function. By studying plant anatomy, scientists can better understand how plants grow and develop. Plant taxonomy, classifying plants. Plant taxonomy is the science of classifying plants into categories based on their characteristics. This helps botanists identify new plant species and organize them in a way that makes sense. From the smallest moss to the largest tree, taxonomy provides a way to understand the relationships between different plant species. Plant ecology, plants and their environment. Plant ecology studies how plants interact with their environment and other living organisms. Botanists explore how plants adapt to different climates, how they compete for resources, and how they contribute to the overall health of ecosystems. For example, plants in deserts have special adaptations that allow them to survive in harsh conditions, like thick waxy skins that prevent water loss. Plant evolution. The history of plants. Plant evolution studies how plants have changed over time. How did early plants evolve from simple algae to the complex trees we see today? What forces drive the development of new plant species? Evolutionary biology helps us understand how plants adapt to their environments and how they've contributed to life on Earth. Botany isn't just about research in labs or field studies in far-off places. Plants and the science of botany influence our lives in tangible ways every single day. Agriculture, feeding the world. Botany plays a critical role in agriculture. By understanding how plants grow, reproduce, and adapt, botanists have been able to develop crops that are more resistant to pests, diseases, and environmental stress. The development of high-yield crops has helped feed billions of people around the world. Botanists also study soil health, irrigation techniques, and plant breeding to improve crop yields and ensure food security in the face of a growing global population. Environmental conservation, protecting our planet. Plants are essential to maintaining the health of our planet. By studying plants, botanists can help restore ecosystems, protect endangered species, and combat environmental issues like deforestation and desertification. One example is the restoration of mangrove forests. These ecosystems protect coastal areas from erosion and provide important habitats for marine life. Botanists are helping to restore these vital ecosystems to ensure the health of coastal regions. Climate change, plants, and the future of our planet. As climate change accelerates, plants play an increasingly important role in regulating the Earth's climate. Plants absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, helping to mitigate the effects of greenhouse gases. Botanists are working to understand how different plants react to changes in climate and how we can use this knowledge to adapt agriculture and conservation efforts to a changing world. Medicine, the healing power of plants. Plants are not only the source of food, they also provide us with medicines. Many pharmaceutical drugs are derived from plant compounds. For example, the heart medication digoxin comes from the foxglove plant, while the cancer drug Taxol was originally derived from the Pacific yew tree. Botanists continue to explore plants for new medicinal properties. With the discovery of new plant species and the investigation of ancient healing practices, there's always the potential for new breakthroughs in medicine. The future of botany is incredibly exciting, with new technologies and research opening doors to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. Genetic engineering, creating better plants. Genetic engineering is allowing scientists to create plants with desirable traits, such as resistance to pests, drought, or disease. Genetically modified organisms, GMOs, have already made a significant impact on global agriculture. And the future holds even more potential for improving crop production and sustainability. Sustainable agriculture, growing food in a changing world. With the global population rising and the effects of climate change becoming more apparent, sustainable agriculture is essential for the future. Botanists are working on ways to grow food more efficiently, using fewer resources and minimizing the impact on the environment. Vertical farming, hydroponics, and other innovative farming techniques are revolutionizing how we grow food. And plant research is at the heart of these advancements. Biodiversity conservation, protecting plant diversity. Conserving plant biodiversity is vital to maintaining healthy ecosystems and protecting the species that depend on them. Botanists are working to catalog and conserve plant species around the world, ensuring that plants, big and small, continue to thrive. Plants are the foundation of life on Earth. They provide us with food, medicine, oxygen, and so much more. Through botany, we gain a deeper understanding of how plants work, how they evolve, and how we can use them to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. As we continue to face global issues like climate change, food security, and conservation, the study of plants will be more important than ever. The future of botany holds exciting possibilities. From new agricultural innovations to groundbreaking medical discoveries. So next time you see a plant, remember, it's not just a part of the landscape. It's a living organism that plays a crucial role in sustaining life on Earth. Keep exploring, stay curious, and never underestimate the power of plants. That's a wrap for today's lesson. If you enjoyed the journey through the wonders of life, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode. Got questions or cool biology facts to share? Drop them in the comments. I love hearing from you. And remember, science is all about curiosity, so keep exploring, keep questioning, and I'll see you next time here at the Biology Dojo.